Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of your syllabus, notice writing. This has been a common topic in two classes, plus 1 and plus 2. In different books, you might have come across different type of notices. Different type of format uh, is to be followed by them. But today I shall be telling you how a good notice can be prepared. First of all, you must know what notice is. A notice is a source of information actually. So, I was telling you, students, what notice is. Notice is a source of information because you are a student and mostly in the board examination, notice questions are concerned with the school activities. You know, in a year, in a session, different type of activities take place in the school. It may be any sports competition, any quiz competition, cultural activities I am talking about. Sometimes it is related to academic, your results, suppose your admission, your examination, your library notice, and so many other things. Even sometimes you lose something, you may paste a notice in the school also. So whatever the information is passed on to the students, it is a good source of communication. It is pasted on the notice board and children, they go there and read it and they find the notice, right? But a notice has a format. A format is to be followed in a notice. So in the different books, as I told you, different books, different writers, they tell different type of things. Because I get opportunity every year almost to check CBSE board examination. So that's why whatever the pattern CBSE seeks, CBSE seeks that the students, they should attempt this question this way. I also pass this information to my students. So let us see what is the first step. Suppose you are going to write a notice, and the first step is the very important step is the name of the organization or the institution or the office to which this notice belong to, right? So at the top, as you can see from the this page, this note paper, you can see at the top I have given a box, and in that box you can see name of the institution, organization, office I have written. And I have also written this in capital letters, because if you write the name of the institution in capital letter, so it is highlighted automatically. So 3-4 beginning steps can be written in capital letters, so it gives a good look. But if you are not habitual of writing in capital letters, then you can continue in your normal routine, but at least first letter of the name of the organization should be capital, right? So first step is name of the organization, institution, college, university, office, whatsoever, right? So this is placed in the center of the page. Thereafter you write date. Date is written in the left side of the page. Date is written in the left side of the page, right? But this is movable. Somewhere date is written after the title, sometimes it is written after the heading of the notice, but you can use it at the second step only. Thereafter this particular word notice is used. Notice is used, right? Third step. Then fourth step is the title or the heading or the caption of the notice, means the notice you are going to paste, it is concerned with which office, with which department, which subject, which activity, academic, and whatsoever. The title, it should be the maximum 4 or 5 words. It should not be too long, otherwise it will not appeal the examiner, and it will be looking like a long sentence, and examiner shall not perhaps like it. So try to compile your caption or the heading or the subject of the notice in maximum 4 or 5 words, not more than that. And thereafter there comes the main part of the notice, that is the body, content of the notice, right? This is very important. Now you are bound to complete your notice in 50 words only. Within 50 words you have to give the maximum information, and you have to write minimum words. So many times children, they use different sentences to give information, one information, two information, and three information in separate sentences. But if they shall be trying to club the three information in a single sentence, so they shall be able to save some of the words which can be used later on. A body of the notice is to provide the whole information regarding that event, regarding that activity which is going to take place in that institution, right? The maximum in case your information is incomplete, it means your notice is incomplete. So you must write the notice in a way that it should give a complete sense in itself. Thereafter you shall also be looking after to use a sentence which we can call closing sentence. Normally this type of sentence is generally used by the students, like, for more information contact and assign. This way children use it, for more information contact and assign. Or else a meeting is going to be held, you can ask your suggestions are welcomed. Or else you are seeking somebody's support, people's support in your colony suppose, then you can say your cooperation is solicited. So many type of sentences, closing sentences can be used in the notice, but always remember the word limit. When you complete the content of the notice, then you have to follow 3 steps at the end of the notice. Normally children, they do not follow. Always remember, first of all you should put up your signature. Thereafter, who is the person who has signed? Your name, I want to say, right? Suppose I, Pavan Kumar, first of all I give my signature, whatever the signature I do. Thereafter I write my name, Pavan Kumar, because the above signature links with this name, right? So thereafter third is designation. What is my designation? Suppose I am writing any notice as an English teacher, so my designation is English teacher. Suppose I am head of the school, so I am writing a notice, so my designation is school head. So this way 3 steps we shall take after writing the body of the notice. This way we can write a good notice using these 8 steps. First step, name of the institution. Second, date. Third, word notice. Fourth is caption, or you can say heading or subject of the notice. Then body, and thereafter 3 steps, signature, name and designation. You will see I have given you 3 questions after this format. The first question is, as the president of the literary club of your school, draft a notice for your school notice board inviting students of class 8 to 12 for literature quiz to be held in your school itself. Invent other necessary details. Let us see how this question has been solved. At the top you see I have given the name of the organization or the school. So Bal Mandir Model Senior Secondary School, Mandi Dabwali, right? Oh, Mandi Killianwali, sorry, Mandi Killianwali. So आप देखते हैं कि I have also tried to centralize the name of the institution on the sheet, on the paper. आप भी पेपर को, this is a matter of beautification. Aesthetically the words should be arranged in a manner that it should give a very good look to the examiner. This is a very important. Thereafter you write date. The way you write the date in different books, in by the different, it is written in different ways. So I have given you the way. This is also correct. uh, there may be another method of writing the date, but date must be there. Thereafter, particular word notice, it should be arranged in the center. Thereafter, I have given the heading literature quiz, right? Then the literary circle of the school is organizing a literature quiz. I have highlighted, you will see I have highlighted literature quiz event को मैंने highlight किया है for the students of classes from 8 to 12 on 30th May. 30th May 2020 is missing. You should write at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. The important information has been highlighted by me. Interested students should register their names with Mr. Pawan Kumar. Activity in charge latest by 22nd of May. So this way you can bound to the students for some specific date to submit or register their names. At the end you will be following the 3 steps: signature, name and designation. So this way a notice is completed. You also see the next question where I have written alumni association at the top. In the second example, this is also important. Why this is important? Because in the question it has been given as the secretary of the alumni association of your school write a notice. So it doesn't matter. This alumni association can be shifted at the end where the secretary has been written. Secretary of alumni association. That will be your choice. That will be your choice, right? Or else you can mention the small club, the organizations, right, of your club at the top. Then it becomes the first step. Or you can say there are now 9 steps otherwise. Okay, but if you have another option when you can say at the place where you write your designation, secretary, suppose secretary of alumni association, it is also correct. So remaining questions, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, these are for you to be solved. You solve it at your home and you can send it to me and I shall be checking it. Thank you. God bless you.